Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect a universal stylus pencil to your iPad, it can be a bit confusing, especially when nothing pops up on the screen after turning it on. Many users expect it to connect like an Apple Pencil, but universal styluses work differently. Some don't require any pairing at all, while others use Bluetooth and need manual connection. This can make it seem like the stylus isn't working when it actually just needs the correct setup. The good thing is that once you identify your stylus type, you can get it working in just a few simple steps and start writing or drawing smoothly. Try these. Step 1. Check if your stylus is Bluetooth enabled or passive. Step 2. If Bluetooth, press and hold the power or pairing button on the stylus. Step 3. On your iPad, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Step 4. Turn on Bluetooth and look for your stylus name. Step 5. Tap to pair and connect. Step 6. Test the stylus on your screen to confirm it's working.